In the intricate dance of democracy, legitimacy of leadership holds the center stage, ensuring the rhythm of governance does not falter. The essence of democracy thrives on the bedrock of legitimacy, without which the very fabric of societal trust and political stability unravels. Recently, the President of the United States has spotlighted concerns over the legitimacy of Emerson Mnangagwa's presidency in Zimbabwe. According to the US administration, Mnangagwa's ascent to power and the subsequent elections under his watch have been marred by significant irregularities and accusations of voter intimidation. These claims are not made lightly, as they stem from observations and reports by various international and local observers. The crux of the US president's argument hinges on the election processes that have reportedly fallen short of international democratic standards. Allegations include the manipulation of the voter roll, intimidation of voters, and the muzzling of the press during election periods. Such actions, if true, corrode the very essence of democratic expression and the fundamental rights of the Zimbabwean people to choose their leader freely. The implications of these claims extend far beyond Zimbabwe's borders. They challenge the international community to reflect on its role in supporting democratic integrity worldwide. Moreover, they raise critical questions about the effectiveness of regional bodies like the Southern African Development Community in safeguarding democratic processes within their member states. To encapsulate, the legitimacy of a leader is paramount in maintaining the health and efficacy of a democracy. The claims made by the United States about Emerson Mnangagwa's presidency underline the ongoing global struggle to uphold democratic values and the right of people to elect their leaders in fair and free environments. It is a reminder that the world must remain vigilant, always advocating for and supporting legitimate governance as the cornerstone of democratic societies.